In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error for Resident Evil 4 for the PC. There are two different working methods, so try not to skip any steps. The first method is to go into search and type in CMD. Right click on this and hit run as administrator. After the command prompt has come up, type in CMD /scan now, all one word. Hit enter. I'm sorry, not CMD, SFC /scan now, all one word. And what this does, this will bring up a scan of your entire system and it will automatically replace any kind of corrupted files with new, not corrupt files, and this will fix your issue. This will take a couple of minutes to complete. So what you want to do is wait for this to finish, reboot your system after it has finished, and then start the game once again to see if this fixed your issue. Now, if you've done all of that and it still hasn't fixed your issue, you want to move on to method number 2. What is method number 2? I'm going to put a URL in the video description below, but it will bring you to this page. On this page on the left hand side, you're going to see something that looks like this. You want to download this file. This is a zip file. You want to go into downloads. You want to find the zip file that you have just downloaded. You want to right click on the zip file, click on extract all. It will bring you to a folder that looks like this. On the very top, you're going to see a file called install_all.bat. Double click on this, and this will run every application one by one, which is exactly what you want. And this should fix your issue. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.